Hey, how's it going, y'all? TK's here, and I've got another slot car unboxing for you. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the NSR right here. 86 through 89 yellow Camel, the Lotus, number 12. Now this one is one I picked up from Massimo over at MP Slot Car. He was auctioning these off and I just so happened to be there and was able to get them. Opening it up, and we got the NSR certificate letting you know that it was put together and finished manually. These are made in Italy and they are very, very nice. I'm really excited. This is my first NSR car and my first Formula One car to run around the track. Get it off the base. Take it over to the track, get the body off, take a look, and then we'll run it around for 5 laps and see what kind of lap time we can get. All right, well, 6.62 is not quick at all, but I will note that this has a very tiny magnet in it compared to the bigger GT cars that I've been running around, and definitely notice a difference. This one just kind of felt light and floaty all around the track, which made it a lot of fun. The drifts were, for the most part, pretty easy to control, and it wasn't like it just came flying out of the slot, but I couldn't push it nearly as hard as some of these cars with the big magnets in it that just kind of hold it down to the track. But I really liked it. It was super smooth, a lot of fun to drive. I'm going to try to get some more of these NSRs. I think they're really neat and really enjoyed sending it around the track. So thank y'all for joining me on this one and watching me unbox and drive this slot car around. I got 2 more slot cars coming up. So you know about the F1, the Ferrari Scalextric that I got from Massimo that when I got this one. But I also picked up, while I was in Dallas the other day, a Scalextric Williams F1 car. So that'll be coming up here in the near future as well. If you could like and subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. Leave any comments of things you want to see, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.